Hello guys, you are welcome in the channel Mr.I.C, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own RGB LEDs. For this video I will make a RB LED using one red and other blue color LED. Let me first check these LEDs are working or not. So I place the and it's working, and this one, and yes, it is also working. So now firstly we will require a sandpaper. So by the sandpaper you have to sand these LEDs. Now to sand these LEDs, remember to sand that particular side in which there is something common. Like I'm going to sand this side of this red LED and this side of the blue LED, so I can combine the negative terminals and make it a common negative LED. I'm going to sand it and will show you the results afterwards. After sanding it for from one side, now this will look like this. Now I will sand the other LED also from the same side and will show you the sanded one. Both the LEDs are ready and I have sanded them from both the sides. Now I'm going to use my super glue and will paste these in this way so that they can align in a single LED form. I have pasted the LEDs both together using my super glue, as you can see, and they look pretty well. Now I will connect the ground or the negative terminal using my soldering iron. Now I have soldered the LED and placed them on the breadboard, and I've connected the battery for the first test and 2221 rest in the series. When I turn it to the red one, it will glow the red one, and the other it will glow the blue. So our RG LED is almost ready. This video comes to an end. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Then do subscribe to the channel Mr.I.C, and also I will, in my future video, I will code this LED using my Arduino. Here it is, and will show you the output of this LED. Till then, bye bye.